Hey guys, it's your girl Renee from Renee's Garden Adventures, and I'm out here trying to clean up my garage, trying to get things situated. But look, I got pots I'm trying to get organized, but this is what tripped me out. Look at this. I found a mushroom growing out of a bag of mulch. Have you guys ever seen that before? I don't know what kind of mushroom it is, but I'm definitely going to get me a stick, and I'm going to move this mushroom around and see what's going on. So hold on, let me get a stick. All right, so this is what the mushroom looks like. And it's coming out of my black mulch bag. But they say if you see a mushroom, that means, look at that, huge. Get some gloves, and I'm going to pick up this mushroom, and we're going to examine it. All right, let me get my gloves on. All right, so I got my gloves on, putting the gloves on. Hey, you guys, so this is what the mushroom looks like. I'm going to pick it up because I got my grass cutting people here, so hold on. Move this out my way. And we're going to take it to a table where we can really look at it. Look at it. I've never seen anything like that before. Let me zoom this camera out so we can look at it better. So this is what it looks like. Look at that mushroom on the side. Big like that. And this was in my garage growing out of the mulch bag. Ain't that something? Woohoo! This is something very unique. I've never seen anything like that before. I just thought I'd bring it to you guys so you guys can get an up close personal look at what this mushroom looks like. My daughter asked me, was this mushroom edible? And I was like, I ain't trying to eat this mushroom. I just wanted to show you guys what a mushroom looks like. And this is the front. This is a stem. Look how thick the stem is. Good Lord. Woohoo! Alright, you guys, I'm gonna let you go. I just wanted to bring this to you so you guys can see this mushroom. Big, huge mushroom. Alright, guys, if I see anything else, I'll come back and I'll show you. But y'all, I got a lot of work I gotta do in this garage.